Hi, this is John with WTI, and if you're looking for a great, affordable sunscreen that is going to protect you from all the light rays and the UV light rays, and as you know, it's so harmful for your skin, this one from Neutrogena as a FPS 70 is going to be a great one for you. I live in a hot weather, hot country. I have to constantly be moving around and I'm in the sun a lot. So I need protection because you know what sun in excess will do to your skin. So this one is great because it's not leaving you a non-greasy sensation as most sunscreens would do. I would put sunscreen and I would feel like I had butter in my face. But this one dissolves really good. It gives you a good consistency and it gives you a good glow that it feels like if you're having a cream, but at the same time, you're not going to feel greasy when you start sweating. So this one from Neutrogena is a great option, great deal. And this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.